Hi everyone, long time no see. My name is Janet. This is my son Johnny.
What's up?
I'm going to making most popular hot pot in Korean dish, Doenjang Jjigae today.
Let's do it! So Mom, what are we gonna do here first?
First, I put it in water in here, as much as we can make it.
How much? Okay, let's do this.
About 1 cup.
About 1 cup? She doesn't take any measurements, so
Any measurement.
that's about maybe
a little bit more.
almost 2 cups.
Then I put some bean paste sauce.
So this is the fermented bean paste, okay?
About 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons.
Oh.
Then if you have beef, pork, chicken, any kind of meat, you can put it in, but I don't have it today. So I put it in for dried anchovy instead of meat.
Right, because typically when I make it, I use beef, but we don't have beef today and I don't want to go out and buy beef today. So we're just gonna use what we have in the kitchen, and Mom has tons of dried anchovies. So
Yeah,
this
dried
is it right here.
anchovy.
So you put the doenjang in first in cold water and then you mix it?
Yeah.
Because I usually put it in the boiling water and mix it. Is there a reason why you do it this way? You always do it this
water,
way?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I
Or
didn't-
you can make a soup base first, then you can use for that soup base.
Oh, but because
But
you don't
it's-
have the soup base, you're just
Yeah,
doing
it's
it
a
like
small
this?
amount. You don't need to worry about soup base.
Right. So you put about maybe 2 tablespoons worth of dried anchovies in there. They're not too big, but big ones are
Small
fine too. Small. Whole? I noticed that they're whole.
Yeah, that's okay. That's a tiny
You
one.
didn't take
Yeah.
because they're small.
Yeah,
but
we
if
can
they're-
eat it.
If they're big, you want to take off the heads and
Head
the
and
intestines.
inside the tummies and
Okay, perfect. All right, what's next?
oh, we have to put some radish.
Radish.
Yeah.
So this is a mu in Korean we call, or the more common name is daikon radish.
Daikon, yeah.
You were gonna use potatoes today, but we didn't have potatoes.
Oh, that's why I use for this
And
one.
we had one of these, so that's totally okay. You can use a potato as a substitute as well.
I think that's enough
That's
for
enough?
today. That's enough. I'm going to rinse.
Okay. And then you're just gonna cut that, or you're gonna peel it?
No, little bit on top.
Just a little bit on top?
Yeah, these brown things.
Oh, okay.
Then like this, one more half. Oh, well, some people like a big piece, but I like a small piece like this.
So you cut them into bite-sized pieces like
yeah,
that.
yeah, like this.
Done?
Done.
All right, so you just add all of it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna put that on the stove now?
Yes,
All right,
I
let's
put
go.
it in a stove. Let's go.
Okay, so you're putting it on high heat,
Yeah, high heat.
and you're gonna bring it up to a boil?
Yes.
What are you doing?
Lid.
Oh, okay. So what's next?
Preparing for vegetables.
Back to the counter.
Back to the counter.
Is this how you usually make Doenjang Jjigae?
So many ways, but it's an easy one. So
Oh, there's so many ways. This is just an easy home way to make.
yeah, homemade.
Yeah. Who taught you how to make Doenjang Jjigae?
My mom.
Oh, my mom didn't teach me how to make Doenjang Jjigae. I guess
My
she is
mom
now.
didn't teach me too.
Well, then you just said your mom taught you.
Oh, I saw my mom made it.
Oh, I guess I saw my mom make it too.
Yeah.
But did your mom make it like this?
No rules.
There's no rules.
Yeah.
When we cook with Janet, there are no rules.
No rules. No measurement. No rules. Whatever I want to do, I way. My way.
All right, so we got nice
Tofu.
little bite-sized squares of tofu. All right. And she's just roughly chopping up some green onions.
Green onion.
No rules.
No rules.
Doesn't
whatever.
matter how big or thin
Yeah.
you slice
If
this
you
green.
want the longer one, you can put in long green onion.
Yeah. Who cares about the shape? Just
No
whatever.
rules.
But roughly like what also look. So some are shaped like this, some are shaped like this. Doesn't matter.
Shape's not important.
Shape is not important. All right. So you're not cooking in a restaurant. You're cooking at home. You know, it just has to taste good. But the shape matters for this because you're
Those
cutting
one-
it uniformly.
Those one is so spicy. It's a tiny slice. It's better for
Oh, okay.
that.
That's it. And now what are you gonna do with that stuff?
Huh?
And then you just put that directly in there.
No, when 된장 is
After
boiling,
it's boiling.
then I put it in all together.
Perfect.
Or some people put in mushroom and zucchini and
Zucchini.
yeah.
I love zucchini.
We have to
Zucchini.
yeah.
And
we have some put in zucchini and mushroom too.
mushrooms. I love mushrooms.
Taste better.
But zucchini.
But I don't have it today. No preparing for 된장 찌개 make it, but Johnny wants to make. Let's mom make it 된장 찌개. That's why I do.
The
But
best.
leftover my house. That's simple one.
Yeah. Without zucchini.
Without zucchini, without potato.
I'm sorry.
Then I'm going to put some for tofu. Maybe too much in tofu. And onion. And green onion.
Just dump it all in there.
And pepper.
Yeah. Oh, you didn't use all the tofu though. That was
Oh,
a little
maybe,
too much.
maybe.
Yeah, you
Maybe
can.
it's enough. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, looks good. Maybe soup.
And that
Soup's not enough.
oh, not enough water.
Yeah, I better put some more.
Yeah, it's easily adjustable.
Yeah,
The tofu might create a little water too.
yeah, I know. So I'll put some little water.
Woo!
Good.
Just a little bit of water. So you basically want the water up to the top of all the ingredients, right? Yeah. You're putting more stuff in there?
Yes, I put some for minced garlic. 1 whole teaspoon. Oh no, too much. This much.
Yeah, okay, that's about a tablespoon.
Oh yeah,
you're
1
gonna
tablespoon.
Put that in there?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Ooh, that's gonna give it a nice garlicky flavor, hey?
Yeah.
And then you're gonna keep boiling that?
Yeah, keep boiling.
How long?
Another 5 more minutes. And
What's that?
the chili powder, Korean 고춧가루.
Okay, red pepper powder.
Yeah,
or
some
flakes?
people want flavor, hot spicy flavor. Then I put some 고춧가루. Then I put some here.
And is that everything?
No,
More?
my secret 소고기 다시다.
Ah, the beef dashida. You put that in everything.
Yeah.
That gives the soup a little depth, a little beef flavoring.
But you have to taste it first.
Okay, so you're just gonna taste to see if it's delicious.
Yeah.
What do you think? Yeah?
Perfect.
Perfect!
Perfect.
Really?
Perfecto.
Okay, so how much longer are you gonna cook that for?
About 5 more minutes.
That literally would take 15 minutes to make. This soup.
Yeah.
It's really easy. It's
Very
just-
easy, very
just
simple.
Very simple, yeah. Oh, that's very nice.
That's
okay,
all
so
today.
let's cook that for 5 more minutes and we're done.
We're going to eat.
Nice.
I'm hungry.
I'm getting hungry too from the smell. It smells delicious. It smells really good. Oh yeah.
Here. Little bit of rice.
Uh-huh.
The smells makes me hungry, so
Let's try it.
I'm going to 비벼 with 된장찌개.
비벼? And
Yeah,
then
mix it
Mm.
like this.
It's gonna burn my tongue.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, looks yummy.
Fantastic. Really good. Good job, Mom.
Like this.
So easy.
비벼. 됐어. Yummy. Perfect.
This is really delicious. Thanks so much for showing us how to make this.
Oh, you're very welcome. I always make it.
All right, well, that's it today, guys. Until next time. See ya.
See you. Thank you, everybody. 좋아요 눌러주시고 구독도 해주세요. Bye.
Bye.